Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the Find My feature on your iPad mini 7th generation. If you want to make sure that in the future, in case you lose your iPad, you can actually find it, then you should definitely enable the Find My iPad option. So go to the settings, then tap on your name in order to open the Apple account settings, and then go to Find My. Over here you have Find My iPad. If you go inside, then you have three options, all of which should be technically enabled if you want to make sure that you can find your iPad in the future. The first one is the main feature, of course, which is Find My iPad, that allows you to locate your iPad on a map when the location services are enabled. You also have the Find My Network, which allows the iPad to be located even when the iPad is offline. And then we also have Send Last Location, which is also worth turning on, and that option allows you to send the location of this iPad to Apple when the battery is critically low. Once you have these features enabled, if you for instance go to the Find My app, or if you use the any other device pretty much with this app, or this app with any other Apple device in fact, or if you open the iCloud website on your, let's say, computer, your MacBook or whatever, you should be able to spot this iPad, as long as of course you use the same Apple account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.